Hi there, my name is Sam, I'm from Magnet, and in this video I'm going to show you how to safely clean an extractor fan. So cleaning an extractor fan is really easy, but the first thing you've got to do is isolate the electric supply at the spur point, which should be nearby. So if you have to do this for a bathroom, the isolated switch should be outside the bathroom by the doorway. So once the fan's isolated, you can safely remove the cover, which is usually a screw or two at the bottom. Gently remove the cover and you should be able to see the fan blades. Cover should pull off nicely like that. And we should be able to give the blades a good little wipe. Remove any dust that you see on both the blades and the cover. And then you're ready to put the cover back on. When you put the cover back on, it's important to do it from the top first, as there's a little clip. You want to make sure you've got clipped in nicely like that, and you'll be able to tell by pulling it. All you have to do after that is screw it back in and then it's good to go. When you put the cover back on, turn the isolator back on and it should be working. If it doesn't, your fuse may have blown and we can show you how to replace that in another video. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you found it useful. If you did, please make sure to give us a follow so then you don't miss out on any new videos.